getting back outside again. Yeah, more lightning I just saw a little bit. No, no, no. But the air feels so much cooler though. It feels so much different. It was flaming hot today. Very hot and humid. And now we're getting rain. We need it so badly. Do we ever? This will be very short-lived, but still. There's my river birch tree that I planted 6 years ago. It was only, I don't know, about 3 feet tall. I paid $2.50 for it at Walmart. Now I'd say it's about 20 feet tall. So, ooh, it's getting good. Whoa! Oh! I'm gonna slam to the rain. Oh no! Please hold up, tree. No, my new tree. Oh, things are blowing all over the place. No. Sheets of rain are coming down. Whoa. All right, well, we need the rain, that's for sure. It's been a long time. I'm going in. Okay, bye.